A video takes you on a quick tour. The 2025 International Low Altitude Economy Expo, a $1 trillion future for low-altitude air transport, is underway at the National Exhibition and Convention Center. A ground-to-air test, crucial to the future of cities, is unfolding. This is not only a showcase for cutting-edge aircraft, but also a clear outline for the future of urban transportation networks. From the world's first Shenzhen-class medical rescue air vehicle to the 200-meter aircraft that revolutionizes logistics. The new air economy is about to explode, even though there's a shortage of workers in communications maintenance, production, and processing. In the next 5 years, with drone pilots who can fly, technicians who can repair machines, and those who specialize in technology. Imagine how many times a company can grow. Enter the market now to capitalize on this opportunity. Don't wait until others have already profited. Are you still wondering what the air economy is? Driven by technological innovation and policy, it provides vast space for development. It not only injects new momentum into economic growth but also offers abundant development opportunities for ordinary people by understanding the concept, application scenarios, industry change, and regulatory system of the low altitude. The low altitude. In the low altitude economy, self-reliance. Transform pilots from space data analysts to safety experts. With the deep integration of drones and AI 5G technology, non-pilots who understand how to combine operational skills with industry knowledge will become the key to driving the $300 billion commercial drone market when the sky opens to everyone. Are you ready to take off?